So, hello friends. So, another question from the Python interview. They will ask about generator. Generate, generator means not a generator that they give the electricity and all. The generator means whenever we have a value into a sequence or any iterations format, they will generate that number uh, into one by one. We can say one by one. Suppose here I have put it 20 and 30. Okay. Sorry, 200 and 300. Now this 200 and 300, how it will come in output? So first it will come 200, then it will come 300. Generally what happen in list or anything, directly we put in the value for the list and it will display all. First I will show you I will show you how it is happening. Then so okay, let's start debugging direct. So here see, gen is a function object 200 and came to 300. Okay, now gen create object. The object is E40, and then we'll go to the print, and print what we'll do, we call the next here see, call the next, and the next have x have object 4 E40. Okay, what is x is here, we have created an object, and then it called to the function, and that function value is a, what is a 200, so it will print 200. Okay, now again come to the next step. Okay, next step means they will go to again yield b here, it will not come to the here. Okay, and then it will take from the value of the v from object. Okay, we'll show first, then I will explain again. So it's come to the next, and object create same object, because this object value is same. Why? Because we are using x. Okay, again next, and come to the y value, v yield v value, what is 300, so it's come to the print 300. Okay, so what happening here, the generator command have two method. One is called yield keyword, and one is next. So you are thinking, if I already put the x first time, no need to have to put two time. Why I will put the two time? If I will put one time, it should also work. Okay, okay, let's check what is happening. So 200 300 object created, next calling yield function a, and it's printing 200. Oh, what happened, man? This is only I have put it 200, it's coming a only. Why? Okay, so this is the feature of the generator. Okay, we have to print two times for this. So again I have to take the same command for the printing the next value. This is the beauty of the generator. They have used yield command and next these two. Now it will work. See, suppose I will run A and B came. Okay, so interviewer will ask, in generator what keyword you are using for the printing the value. Then you have to tell the command is next, and over the next we are putting passing the object, whatever object we have created. This can be anything, x y z object o b j, that is a standard. So x, anything we can uh, print. Okay, we can take anything. So if anyone asks what is generator, then you have to tell generator is a one iterative method. In that method, two keyword most we have to use. One is yield keyword, one is next keyword. Okay. Then they will ask if it is iterative, then why? What is the difference between iter, one function in Python, iterator, and generator? So this question you have to see in YouTube and somewhere. Okay, so this is the one of the best example of the generator. If the interviewer asks, we can show him this generator working like that. Okay, thank you for watching.